Introducing Kaatuan Bangkal, Neolamarchia kadamba o the family Rubiaceae. Kaatuan Bangkal is a big tree native to tropical Asia which can grow taller than 20 feet. It produces stunning yellow and orange, fragrant flowers, making it an excellent choice for gardeners seeking a colorful ornamental plant. It is known to attract butterflies and birds, adding even more light to the garden. The wood is used for light construction work, such as beams and rafters. The most important use is as low and medium quality paper pulp blended with other long fibered species. Gargle liquid extracted from leaves. Freeze leaves as cattle fodder, sometimes as eating plates and serviettes or table napkins. Fruits and inflorescences are edible. Bark decoction is used to treat fever and as a tonic. Yellow dye is extracted from the root bark, a good ornamental and shade tree for other crops and used in agroforestry and reforestation.